Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. Have another unboxing, and this one is from Canyon Hollow Decor. So this is one of the last monthly boxes that she is going to be doing. I think the April box is going to be the last box. Hi everyone, I wanted to jump on here real quick because I've got some more information that I wanted to share with all of you. I got this information from Teresa after I unboxed the box, so I want to make sure I pass this along. Okay, so here we go. Yes, I think I mentioned in the video, but we have one more box after this one, unless you prepaid boxes. If you prepaid, she is going to continue to provide those boxes to you, which then leads to something I'm a little bit excited about. So she has to buy minimum quantities of items. So to be able to fulfill these prepaid boxes, we could start seeing like one-off mini boxes pop up on her website for us to buy. And that's because she had to buy a minimum of quantity to be able to continue to fulfill these prepaids. So keep an eye out for her website. Also, the mini subscribers, you will be included on the email that goes out for the pre-sale for the 2026 Advent calendar. So keep watching your email. One of the best boxes I have ever unboxed. If I can put the link to my unboxing here, I will. If not, check it out in the comments. But it's an amazing box. You do not want to miss out because it was going to sell out. It's going to sell fast. So our box right now. In the video, you are going to hear me mention about a doorstop that's not in here. And that was purposeful. Over half of the doorstops were leaking sand. So she chose, thank goodness, not to include them in our boxes, but she had to swap out something else. So what I thought in this video was the swap out actually wasn't the swap out. What is in the hero item? So there's something in something. That thing that's in it, that is what she swapped out for us. So I love what she used for the swap, so I'm perfectly happy. And then last but not least, this week, so today is March 2nd, this week is going to be opening up the summer quarterly box for purchase. So you don't want to miss that out as well, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be limited quantities, I think. Pretty much, you just don't want to miss out on anything of hers. Everything's great. So, okay, let me get you back to the unboxing and you guys take care. Don't be sad. She is still continuing with her quarterly founders box, and she is going to be increasing the number of like specialty holiday boxes. So she's definitely not going away. She's just changing a little. So this box is going to give you an idea of, I guess you could say, her style, how well she curates these boxes. So while this box is going away, it's still a good representation of the brand and of the company. So let's dive in. Okay, what is going to be in here? Oh, also, these monthly boxes, how they worked was she focused on a specific area of your home and then got you items specific to that area. So we've had home office, we have had a shelf, we have had so many areas. It's been a lot of fun. Sad to see them go, but also excited for what's to come. Now, one of the things she has always done is she seals her package with a wax seal stamp that has her branding on it. And the color always seems to have like went along with the color theme in the box. and see what are we gonna have. Oh, pretty. It's pretty. All right, so we have, okay, not gonna show because sometimes the card gives away the items in the box, and I like these things to be surprises. So, oh goodness. Oh, shoot. I saved it. And there was no fragile stickers on the outside, so I should be good. But let me move this around so that it's not. Okay, got the box moved. But I don't open these boxes beforehand. So I want you to experience the unboxing with me. And unfortunately, bloopers like that happen. You guys ready? How pretty is this? Look, let's first just talk about the basket. The basket is wonderful. Wonderful. So I'm going to pull these out real quick. I'm going to lay them down because I'm going to put them right back in. So, and I'm going to take this ribbon off real quick because I want to fully see the basket. Oh, this is nice. Carissa, it's handmade. So look at that leather. It feels like leather tag in there, but look how beautiful. And it's handmade, you guys. Oh, and let me show you the back. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, let's see here. Carissa, responsibly handmade. So it says, Carissa provides high quality handmade goods that are socially and environmentally responsible. Purchasing any of our unique, one-of-a-kind, handcrafted products supports and benefits artisans in low-income communities. Fair wages ensure that education, healthcare, and new possibilities are available to these communities. Very nice. Oh, I forgot to tell you the pricing. So up on the screen is the pricing of this box. Forgot to do that. I apologize. But can we talk about this? Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. And then she has added, now she's bent them like this, super smart. Look at the pretty tulips. They are soft touch. And I want to, gosh, am I going to be able to put these back in the way she had them so beautifully? Let's see here. Let me see here. She kind of had them. There we go. And I guess I can take them and I can bend them a little to make them, display how I would like. This one I'm going to have to push in a little more, but definitely not as pretty as she did. So I'm going to have to play around with that, but I love that basket. Okay, let's keep going. So we have another wrapped item. And okay, she has given us, see here, so it's adjustable wreath hanger. So the theme this month must be front door or doorway. So let's see here. We have got a felt pad here. We have got 2 felt pads here. And again, like I said, it is adjustable. It says pull down or pull in down while button is pressed. Adjust to desired length and release the button. Extends to 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters. Holds 20 pounds. Okay, I love the adjustable because some of my wreaths are smaller than others. Some of them are bigger than others. So sometimes when I hang them, the placement doesn't always look the best. It's beautiful, but so I love having the adjustable. Oh, and we have felt pads down here too, so it doesn't scratch your door. Great. Okay. Our last item. But look, wrapping. So part of the unboxing from Canyon Hollow Decor is the experience, because she does take the time and the effort to do unique wrapping. You know, she could have just done the brown paper and put a ribbon, but she's cutting extra to make it a little bit more, I don't want to say presentable, because it's presentable anyway, but to make it more pretty. Okay, so let's get in here. All right, I don't need scissors. And actually, I think I'm going to be putting on this on my front door tomorrow, because I'm embarrassed to say I did switch my Christmas wreath out, but I switched it with like a winter kind of wreath where it has like the silvers and a deeper kind of blue. So it looks winter-like. Well, it's not winter anymore. So I need to spring that up. Okay. Makes perfect sense. We have got a rug. It is for, let's see, it is from VHC Brands, April and Olive. It is natural and cream jute rug, half circle, 16.5 by 33 inches. For care, it says use mild soap and cold water for cleaning minor spills and stains, only hand wash, no machine wash. Aggressive use of the beater brush is not recommended. Yep, gotta be the front door, right? Love it. And I love the natural materials, I guess is a good way to say it. It brings a lightness to my house. Oh, I love it. I love it. And this could be indoor, it could be outdoor. I would say under covered. I would not put this out where it could get wet. This could go in front of your kitchen sink. If you have got a fancy laundry room, which I do not mind a working laundry room, this would look really nice in front of your laundry, your washer and dryer. But look at it. I love it. Isn't it pretty? So the front has what you would expect to feel. The back, it feels like it's treated with something because it's more pressed down. I don't know if it's like I don't know. I want to say glue, but it's probably not a glue, but it is coated with something on the back. But I love it. So let's read the card. My assumption is it is the front door or doorway, but let's see. Okay, so yes, it is. March mini box, a front door refresh. This is what I'm going to miss. She's going to have to do these occasionally, like throw in the same ones. For us, like, old school ones, old school subscribers. But what's in the box? We have Carissa handmade hanging basket. Bring natural texture and style to your door with this exquisite handmade woven hanging basket. Meticulously crafted from 100% natural seagrass. Fill it with your favorite florals or greenery and tie a bow on it for a perfect finishing touch to your home this spring. That's one of my favorite items I've gotten in a subscription box. I love that. And also what I love that it's flat on the back. So it is going to jut out, but it's going to jut out naturally because the shape of the basket. This, I guess, doesn't have to be on a front door. It could be on an inside door. During the holidays, I put a wreath on my front side of my door and the back side. And then I also do a wreath like on one of the closets that is like out in the common area to like decorate it up. So multiple places you can put it. Probably could even put it on the wall if you like. So the Jute doorstop. Is there another item? 1 second. I remember one of the boxes sending out information that an item, was it not the quality they wanted? There was something. I bet this was the box. And the reason I say that is because it says it's a Jute doorstop, and we don't have a Jute doorstop. But what we do have is the hanger. So I bet that is what she swapped it out for. And let me tell you, I don't know what the Jute doorstop would have looked like, because it says it was a 6.5-inch Jute door stopper. I love this. I really do. So, yeah, I love that. So yeah, so that and the tulips are not mentioned on the card. So I'm assuming she did the tulips as a bonus item. And then the hanger, I think that's probably the replacement item, which, like I said, I'm 100% fine with that. The Jute rug. So 100% Jute rug. Create a bright, refreshing feeling with this natural 100% Jute rug, measuring 16.5 by 33 inches. It features a classic half circle shape with tight braids. The special blend relaxes faster and stays flat, and the unique shape makes this rug the perfect fit for doorways. So it does, it was rolled up, but it does have a very natural, like bend that it's going to, that it's going to flatten very nicely. So I got a, I can't remember the material it was made out of, but it was some type of natural material, and it was a half moon rug. I had it outside. I loved it. So I am super happy that I have got now a replacement item for that. I love it. So, okay, well, this gives you a very good sense of the type of curations that she does, the types of products that she procures, and her style. So again, the next box is going to be the last monthly, but there's still more to come. So hope you guys enjoyed another unboxing. Thank you for spending time with me as always, and you guys take care. Bye everyone.